Hey everybody, make sure you watch to the end so that you can get another clue about my special project. Reveal coming soon. Alright you guys, this is another experiment that I conducted over the winter. This is my Francis fox, and she stayed outside all winter. And this is what she's doing for me. Isn't that gorgeous? She looks pretty healthy. Leaves are nice and green. And the flowers are absolutely stunning as usual. So any ideas as to what these are for? Give me your best guess below.